If you want to take a screenshot on iPhone 17, then we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to press the volume up and the side button at the same time. If you just press both of these buttons at once, then you should be able to immediately take the screenshot. Of course, you can still customize the screenshot a little bit if you want to by grabbing by these white lines over there. You can also use the markup tool over here. You can completely remove the screenshot in case you decided that you no longer need it. And you can also save it by tapping on this check in the upper right corner, and you can decide if you want to save it to photos, files, or quick note, and so on and so forth. Or we can copy and delete. I'm just gonna delete the screenshot. Now, another method that allows you to take a screenshot is by setting up the gesture screenshot, or actually the back tap gesture. So we're gonna go to settings and over here open accessibility, and then you want to choose motion. And if you not motion, my bad, it should be touch actually. So in touch, in accessibility, if you scroll down, you should be able to go to back tap over here. You want to go to double tap or triple tap depending how you want it to be. And then among these options, you should be able to find screenshots. So when it's selected, then you should be able to double tap the back of the phone. Let's see if I'm gonna make it work. Yeah, there we go. So you can tap somewhere like here above the Apple logo or just under the Apple logo. You just have to figure it out, but it should be fairly easy. For example, I tap over here in order to take this screenshot. And that's all. Of course, you can tap on these screenshots in order to, customize them or remove them if you want to. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.